So first we have a small bundle of green onion, a good handful. And we have one small onion sliced, but not diced. 7 little small slices of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, maybe a full garlic smashed, but not diced. Here, as much lemongrass as you can get. And that's a nice handful, but probably about as much as the green onion one. Maybe a half teaspoon to a teaspoon of black peppercorns. And we have a squeeze of lemon. And we have 1/4 cup soy sauce. 1/4 cup white vinegar.
Yes.
And 1 small can
The whole
of
thing.
Sprite. It is just under a cup.
Whole thing.
One
whole
whole-
chicken.
1 whole chicken in the bag. Here we go. We have some Himalayan pink salt. And we're going to twist about a teaspoon's worth. Marinate for at least 24 hours or overnight. Just get it all juicy like this. This is the finished product. We stuffed the marinade into the bird. It roasted 400 degrees for 1 hour, 25 minutes. And it was on a perch just above the juices underneath so that it would give a beautiful crust. Look at how shiny and golden.